On the 4th of July, we often have crown designs, and so one of the problems can be this hair. So you can just bobby pin it out of the way, but one of the things I like to do is I just twist the bangs, and then I stick a bobby pin in halfway through, I turn it and push it back that way. All we're looking for on this 4th of July princess is one big swoop, but just going over it once more will take that little flick away. Now the 4th of July is all about stars, but I find it to be really fun to also use hearts. I've got just a filbert loaded with some red and pink. And then whatever size you do on the sides, I like to do the center just a little bit bigger. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go in and finish it up. Do some cute little dots down. You can do some highlights on the hearts, some more little princess dots. This is one of those fun designs where if the little kid is wiggling and struggling, you just do less. Less is more. If the little kid's letting you and you're having a good time, you can just add a whole bunch. But then I like to also put in just a little bit right here, maybe even a couple of curls to match the shape of that heart. Now, of course, it's the 4th of July, so we want to add just a few little stars. Or we can do more of a 5-point, and that's going to look more stars and stripes. And then if ever you have this bleeding, it's happening because of how warm it is. You can just let it dry and then go back over the top of it one more time. But let's not forget, we all love sparkles. Well, I don't know. Do you like sparkles? You do. So we have just a fun snowflake. I don't really like to put on a whole lot of blue and red just because I feel like that's what the paint is already adding. We also have the loose glitter that we can take and add directly on top of the paint.
I like it.